What's up, guys? Fighting Falcon here. And I promise. Hey, I thought you said you're going to do Phantom Forces. We are. I just haven't made a video in a long time. So I'm playing Booga Booga. And this happens. Yep. First it started at the ice floating island. I won the drop party thing. Oh god, I've seen it. Oh, I was won by Red Team. They invited me. And I was with Cheesecake Savage then. We had a good fun and we had to leave. So, but then we came over here. They're all doing this. There's so many um, there's so many chests that my game almost got changed. There's this new wall called Emerald. What was I saying? And I can make armor and stuff. I can add. So add bags. So I'm gonna be doing a mad bag giveaway. And the next giveaway will be a emerald bag giveaway. I'm gonna do android crystal since I have so much. Because look at how much crystals I have. 171. But I got more emeralds. I got 501. I will never need anything again because of all the things I have. I am ultimate. Well, I'm pretty sure some other people are. But look at this. This is a review episode. I'm not going to do a full episode on it. I'm just going to take you around a bit. And yeah. So I need to empty a lot of my stuff. Because I won't be needing a lot of it. So I include gold. I'll need iron for, my game's glitchy again. Yep, there goes my gold. I'll need iron for saddles. 3, 2, 1. Come on, gold up here. I'll need that. See, oh, it's different goes. Oh, God. They give you gold. Oh, I thought I saw crystal bag there. I didn't think I did. Oh my god, my game froze again. I don't know if this is laggy for you because I haven't seen the video yet. I'm sorry if it is. But as you can see, it's so much crap comes up. Oh my god. Oh, so it's hitting me. He's been hitting me. Oh my god. So much. I'm level 255 now. Just a bit away until I'm level 300. People will really be scared of me when I go into other servers. Actually, yeah, I might do a full video on this. Oh my, I'm gonna spend ages doing this. Oh my god, they all go fast. So guys, I'm gonna be nice and get all this mad for my friend Cheeky Savage. This is pure Savage. Yeah, Savage. Okay, get rid of some of that. I bet they're all tipping out stuff so they can get room in the bag because I'm almost full. Normally this is rare stuff to get, guys. Normally you have to go, oh my god, where's all this stuff? Now they just appear randomly, randomly, randomly. Jamaican bacon, Jamaican bacon. Easy, I think. Yeah, no essence. I'm not interested. Let's do this. No. What's on the market? Fire? No, it's not. Run. My game party. Yeah, I got the same idea as me. It's just weird. Yeah, get out of here, down. That's a lot of Andorite, guys. Blood free, I need blood free, blood free. Yeah, blood free. I'm looking forward to the blood free. Okay, guys. So I'm going to take a short break so I can. Okay, guys. So I gotta get rid of a few quests. falls, and because I have a lot. See, because I'm only looking for two emeralds. Follow trail. Whoa, doing good. Too much, too much. You know you like too much. Come into the crystal. Come, my friends. Say yes. This would be heaven for a noob. Like a noob could become a pro in a few seconds. I don't see why I should ever quit. It's already been 5 minutes. I've got so much stuff. Jeez. Oh, we're having a battle. Let me in. Let me in. We must be having. Oh no, it's just that we're going somewhere else now. This place is too laggy. Where are we going this time, my friends? Hey, is it the base I made? No, it's not. We'll take it. Just make it bigger. Hey, look! Emeralds! Emeralds! Oh, there's no point down there. There's a lie. Remember, kids, reality is an illusion. Life is a hologram. Let me say that again. Remember, kids, reality is an illusion. Life is a hologram. Bye, God. Bye. Okay, so what I just said there was, I don't know if you understand. Reality. Reality. Remember, kids, reality is an illusion. hmm Life is a hologram. Life is a hologram. What else did I say? Life is a hologram. Buy gold. Bye. That's what I said. Don't judge me. I like watching my gravity falls. We having a battle? Are we? Remember the illusion. Life is a hologram. Bye gold. Bye. Sounds better when Bill says it. It really does. That's what he says. If you can't hear that, then I'm sorry. Let me just turn the volume up. So it's the universe is a hologram. So that's the episode Greenscapers. Sorry, I'm just a fan. And I know when I showed that it wasn't really like good. You could hear I'm very sorry. I know. I don't take that as offense. You may be right. And boys. Please let me in. Please let me in. Why even you do? Please do not die. Please, why is this happening? No, Bruce, you're gonna lag instead of Bruce, no, Bruce. They can't hear it. No, still that type. So it's just my sound isn't really good for the recording. I don't know if you can hear it or not. So this is everyone here. But yeah, get my. I like Python. I sound reckless. Can we open stuff up? I can empty out there. Are they? No, they're just plebe chests. You must be a plebe. You don't know plebe means noob. Who killed the chicken? Remember, kids, galaxies are an illusion. The universe is a hologram by Gold. Okay. Assassinate. Assassinate. Assassin. Up. Up. No, yeah. Um, let's see what else. What's that? Whatever that. Well, I'll keep it so I can make. Yeah. That should be enough. Should be enough. Hey guys, I just want to say this is an ultimate success. Why I jumped? I wouldn't have made it. This is an ultimate success because I'll show you by the end of this video how many emeralds this one is gonna get picked up. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Oh, guys, and I'm thinking that my dog Charlie. Come on, boys. I show one of my vlog videos of Flying Falcon. Who my dog is. Hey, can you whine for me? Do you hear the growl? He's just yawning. Okay. So yeah, I don't think I've told you about him. No, I haven't. But we will be showing him in a video. Move. Is the world in chaos? No, the world's in peace right now. Peace. No one's not on our side. Oh wait, one person is. Name is CK. I don't know what that stands for. 2008. I was born in. No, I wasn't born in then. I was born 10 years after that. Psych. Mm. I was born. I was born in a hospital. I don't know if that's right. This guy said I want to drop was that's my prize in the drop prize because the one in here was bad because people guessing that. I don't know that. Guys, we're about to load access. Oh, we're about to tear this down. Oh my! Oh, so, help me! Oh, oh, oh my! Help! Go! Uh, this is fun. I think it's Python. I think it's reckless or Python. I don't know. He's kind of. He's just not. They're on this same server, so I can get more stuff. Guys, look forward to a mad bad giveaway. So guys, see you later.